At Fancy Pottery, every fiber clay planter pot is made with attention to detail from the first material mix to final export packing. We carefully control the material ratio to achieve the right balance of strength, weight, texture, and durability. During every handmade pasting moment, our workers check the shape, thickness, rim, and body structure to keep each planter solid, even, and well-formed. After forming, the surface is sanded and refined by hand. Rough edges and small imperfections are removed, while natural textures are kept clear and attractive. Before painting, our quality inspection team checks each pot one by one. Any small defect is repaired before it enters the painting process. Our finish includes 3 key steps: isolating painting for a stable base layer, bottom painting for better protection, and surface painting and coating for the final color, texture, and appearance. We focus on color consistency, weather resistance, UV resistance, and long-lasting outdoor performance. Finally, packaging is arranged according to each customer's requirements, including protective wrapping, carton packing, palletized loading, and export-ready protection. Our goal is to ensure customers receive the pots in the same excellent condition as when they leave our factory. Good details create reliable planter quality.